Listen up, because I'm about to tell you something important. You don't need a mountain of cash to start a business. That's right, forget what you've heard. Some of the biggest success stories started with nothing but a bright idea and a whole lot of hustle. I've seen it time and time again on The Apprentice. Think about it. In the age of the internet, the world is your oyster. You've got access to more free resources and information than ever before. So if you're passionate and dedicated, trust me, you can make it happen. The first thing you need to do is ditch the excuses. Stop saying you're not ready, you don't have enough experience, or you lack resources. Every entrepreneur starts somewhere. The most important thing is to just start. Take that first step, even if it's a small one. The key is to take action and keep moving forward. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Building a successful business takes time, effort, and a lot of learning along the way. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn and grow. The most important thing is to get started and never give up on your dreams. So, are you ready to become your own boss? Let's get down to business. Now, let's talk about finding your niche. This is where you figure out what you're going to offer the world. What's your unique selling point? What problem are you solving? This isn't about reinventing the wheel. It's about finding a gap in the market and filling it with something special, something only you can offer. Think about your skills and passions. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Your business should be something you're passionate about, something that gets you up in the morning. Passion is contagious. It'll fuel your drive and inspire others to believe in your vision. Don't be afraid to be different. In fact, being unique is your biggest advantage. It's what will make you stand out from the crowd. Remember, people buy from businesses they connect with. So let your personality shine through in your brand. Okay, so you've got your million-dollar idea. Now what? You need to validate it. In other words, you need to make sure people actually want what you're selling. Don't worry, this doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. One of the easiest ways to validate your idea is to talk to your target audience. Use social media to your advantage. Create a poll, run a survey, or simply ask people for their opinions. Get feedback from real people and see if they're genuinely interested in your product or service. Another great way to test your idea is to create a minimum viable product, MVP. This is a basic version of your product or service that you can use to get feedback from early adopters. It doesn't have to be perfect, just enough to give people an idea of what you're offering. Remember, feedback is your friend. Don't be afraid of criticism. Embrace it. It will help you refine your idea and make it even better. The more you validate your idea, the more confident you'll be in its potential, and that's what will make you unstoppable. Section 4, building your empire on a shoestring budget. All right, you've got a great idea and you've validated it. Now it's time to build your business. But hold on, you're still working with no money, right? No problem. There are plenty of free and low-cost ways to get your business off the ground. First things first, you need an online presence. Create a website or start a social media page for your business. There are plenty of free website builders and social media platforms available. Use them to your advantage. Showcase your products or services, connect with potential customers, and build your brand. Next, leverage the power of content marketing. Create valuable content that will attract your target audience. This could be blog posts, articles, videos, infographics, or anything else that will engage your audience and establish you as an expert in your field. Don't underestimate the power of word-of-mouth marketing. Tell everyone you know about your business. Ask friends and family to spread the word. Offer referral bonuses. Get people talking about your business. Remember, the more you put yourself out there, the more opportunities will come your way. Remember, the more you put yourself out there, the more opportunities will come your way. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe